Hello traders, welcome to the live stream. Hello traders, am I audible to you? Just let me know. Okay, Govind sir, thanks for confirming. Okay, now traders, you can see US market is yet to open. Where Bank Nifty is where BTC is taking support, it is taking support at this level, right? Support 1, support 2, support 3. Maybe after US market open, market can move towards the downside, or here M pattern many people entered, right? So random people at this breakdown whoever entered, to trap them, it can move towards the upside. If it breaks this level, it can also go up to this zone. That possibility is there. So with small stop loss, what we can do is we can look for opportunity. I'm taking the trade before US market opens. One more trade before this, I also on the bullish side I had taken, okay, but I'll speak about that as soon as this completes, or once the US market opens, things like that. Okay, so I'll just copy this price, I'll scroll down. Now some of you, if you want, you can wait for some more time, because you can see this trade what we are taking, it is before the market opening, like that we are taking, right? So it can be a bit challenging, sudden spike towards the downside whatsoever, it can affect the setup. So who doesn't want to take any trade right now? You need to wait for some time. If that's your feeling, that's okay, you can wait. Okay, so what have I taken? Only reason here is support. This is the third support. But by chance, if market in the future, if it moves towards the downside, right, this zone, from here buying pressure started, right? So if market corrects somewhere at this zone, these buyers can re-enter. So what if my setup fail? That time, once more I will be taking a reversal upside trade at that zone. Okay, now that for this particular trade, little stop loss little big I have given, only reason is because US market will open quickly. If it hits my stop loss, if it corrects little, okay, but bigger stop loss for this particular trade, if this is the support, at least here I have to give the stop loss, right? So that option I don't have to place a small stop loss here. But if it moves towards the upside, good momentum towards the upside, we can capture. There are close to three setups is there in mind. I've just executed the first setup. We will see, depending on how this goes, maybe I'll keep sharing the update with you guys. Just 1 minute is there for the market to open. I know it is a risky situation where we have already entered the trade before market opening. That is why for everyone I'm saying, please wait a little more, let the market open, we will see how it reacts. Based on that, if you want, next we will look for opportunity. Market is opened, is it? US market. Sir, can you explain Ethereum trading? No. Market is just open, no traders, so little if we wait, it will be better, I think. Ethereum again, it is formed a, it has broken this level. Okay, it has attracted people, it is not showing any continuation. You can see it is reversing, right? Later if it breaks this level, maybe bearish trade we can focus on. Right now bearish trade opportunity is not there. Okay, BTC market opening, this is a kind of issue situation, but if I miss out the opportunity, this up big side move, if the market does, I will miss that. Okay, upside move, how much it can do is close to, from the current zone, can go up to 700 800 points it can give. Okay, if it moves up, or else safe, there are many people, right, who wants to do safe trading, where safe trading you will have next, if market falls, hits my stop loss, I'll take my stop loss. But here at this zone again, if you get a reversal setup, maybe here around 800 900 points momentum we'll be able to capture. So this is one setup. One more setup is here. At this bottom, market can reverse because these buyers can re-enter. But by chance, if they enter off now only at the zone, I will miss out the opportunity, right? If I keep on waiting, that is why even though my market was about to open, before that only I have taken this trade. We will see what happens. If stop loss hits, I will wait for some more time. One more setup I will take. Is the logic for the trade what I've taken, is it clear? See, sometime back in community group, this is the setup. Before me coming live only, I taken this upside moving setup. Okay. But what I realized was these sellers, they're still strong. They can push the market little towards the downside. I said here, right? Sellers pressure zone. If market did not, if it had broken the selling pressure zone, it would have achieved this target towards the upside. But these sellers entered. You can see the stop loss, whatever I had given here, here I had told that seller pressure zone is our market make or break level. That is why risk we have reduced. See how much risk we reduced, for that how much reward we kept. What happened exactly? From seller's pressure zone, market came off down exactly from this zone. So there, that small stop loss we decided to give, that is okay. Now once more I am thinking, okay, where buyers can enter? Buyers can enter here. This is one zone. Later where buyers can enter, one more chance, it can be at this zone. So two areas buyers can enter. This is the first zone, this is the second zone. From here only, if they push, nice momentum towards the upside we can expect. And if market comes down here, if the buyers put here also around 700 800 points momentum we will get. So these two situation is there. With that logic only, I have thought about entering. Same way you can see the global market also is kind of positive, we can say, at least 1% up. So with all those logic, I have entered. Now in the comment section, you guys have to tell me if you have understood uh, the logic what I have given. Is it clear for you? You have understood the logic clearly? See, now anytime market can support it has taken, it has moved towards the upside, means stop loss have to keep trailing and going, right? One big candle is there. Now again the sellers, will they re-enter? Will they re-enter at the zone somewhere? I feel because market has removed weak players already, now if it moves, probability is there to continue the trend. That is why, okay, in between only I have entered the trade. Around 41 people watching the live stream, only 8 likes. Come on traders, support the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel. It motivates me to make regular videos like this. Brother, what is the difference between this BTC chart and other BTC chart in TradingView? There seems to be many BTC chart. What, can you please clarify why there are so many chart? See, BTC spot chart you might be looking at, right? So in Nifty also we have that spot chart, right? Maybe that spot chart like that you would have been looked at, you would be looking at. But this is actually what you have to look at is BTC slash USD. You will get something called perpetual. Okay, perpetual, something like that, it will come. That chart you look at. Okay, you will have the similarity between what you're seeing in Delta Exchange and what you're looking at there. So you will find it. One attempt these buyers have pushed, again these sellers are trying to push again. We will see, we will see. After hitting the stop loss, if it goes, then it is a problem. But what to do? Please suggest how much point should be SL for Nifty revised lot size. See, SL is always based on the this one, right? Points. minimum you have to take one lot. So before, per lot minimum risk should be 700 rupees. Okay, 700, you can say 500 to 700. So in the current situation, if it is 3 lots minimum what you have to take, then it will be close to 1500 to 2100 rupees. That will be the revised risk for Nifty. I mean stop loss per trade you can take. A little Ethereum I will see. Okay, Ethereum has nicely moved towards the upside. Okay, here the sellers are putting pressure in the market, right? They are putting pressure in the market. That is why you are seeing this big wicks here. So if these sellers are putting pressure from bottom, buyers also are putting pressure. As long as you get a range, the market comes out of a range. For example, you see this is the you downside channel pattern, you think. Okay, it can be consolidating between buyers and sellers within this range only. When these buyers are really strong, they will push the market towards the upside up to the zone. How you will get to know? Maybe market will move up to this zone, correct here after giving breakout. Later if it gives a breakout, that breakout sustaining possibility is high. Okay, like that maybe you can think about it. Buyers also at this level, they're not giving up. Hopefully, uh, if they want, if they push the market little up to this zone again, right, up to this zone, then it next market will not reverse from here. It will go and target people who's on top. Who's on top means these people, at least 99,800, like that it will go. Now some of you might ask, sir, can I enter or not enter? But for you, my suggestion is the sellers, they're putting pressure here. Buyers also are putting pressure. I'm not worried about the stop loss, so I have taken. If you just want to take, maybe let's say you reduce your lot size. Okay, because here 50-50 chance is there. Reduce your lot size. If you're trading with 100 lots, maybe get it down to 50 or 25, depending on this one. You can take at least immediately, rather than taking maybe you one more green candle. That green candle followed by one more green candle means below that will place stop loss and look for opportunity. Okay, that time risk also for you will be little less. Now it is just holding on within a range. Buying pressure is there, selling pressure is there, both. In that case, little careful only we have to be. I thought that US market opening, it will clear off this correction what happened before the market, it will clear off that moment, but it is taking a bit of time. Sellers are equally putting pressure. What to do? Now traders, how many? 51 people watching the live stream, only 21 likes. After liking the video, please mention your name in the comment section. I will be more than happy to announce your name. Okay. Whatever doubts, any doubts you have, you can definitely ask me in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help you. Shankar sir, hello, welcome to the live stream. Nazeeb sir, thank you so much for liking. Now traders, those of you who's entered along with me, see, from the time we have entered, you have got nice momentum in the market, right? Around 300-400 points. My expectation is it will go up to 700 points at least. So basically, if you're happy with the profit, please book it. Stop loss, whatever is there, you need to trail it. Okay. For many people, booking profit also is a good idea. Whoever has entered along with me. Okay. This is a very strong candle, right? I said no, this time before market opening they push the market little downside, but after market opening, if market comes to this resistance, chances of correction is very low. It will push off, it will push nicely towards the upside. That possibility is high. uh Sub like sir Pandi Rajan sir, thank you so much. Goody Patti, Chandrasekhar sir, thank you so much. Sundar sir, thank you for liking the live stream. So those of you who's entered with me already, this resistance and all is there. Here market can correct and then move, but my understanding is it will move off towards the upside only. But this moment what you have got is not less, right? From the time we have entered, around 500 points movement. So if you are happy with that, please book that. Okay. I'm just trailing my stop loss because for me, if it hits the stop loss also doesn't matter. But logic and all those things you guys have to understand. For that, it is my duty, responsibility to tell you guys. Sir, I need Nifty live also. Nifty, I cannot take live trades, no, because of the SEBI rules and things like that. We already have a Telegram group there regularly. I keep sharing updates. In terms of 3 minutes, 4 minutes video, I will share. So I will share screenshots like that. I will do. So if you are interested, you can join that group. See now again what will happen is people at the zone, okay, resistance is there, let me enter a bearish trade, they will think, but market will move off towards the upside. Okay. So you need to be a bit careful about that. Don't think about entering bearish trade right now. There's no opportunity on the bearish side. See, I've trailed the stop loss. Now for many people I've said this is the level. If you want to book your profit, you book. But my understanding is market can reach this area also. Since US market is bit positive, after this it can continue also. Okay. So that possibility is there. So take everything into consideration, but this trade, whatever you have taken, it should not close in red. Think about that. See, even I have trailed my stop loss. I'm not closing in red, right? Brokerage, everything is covered in this. In the comment section, who and all enter trade along with me, just let me know. Have you booked the profit? Have you exited? Can you please explain about options in crypto? See, what I'm trying to tell each from the day, from more than 27, 28 live streams I have done, especially for crypto, nowhere I have done about options because it is not required right now, traders. Because trading in futures market only will give you the benefit that you want. Okay, so don't go for options right now. Leave options. Take advantage of the benefit what they are giving you here. Now traders, here nice movement market has done, but you see, you want to book your profit means you book, because this is the last chance for this seller to put pressure. If you put pressure, it will correct. Okay, it might stop loss also, but if this seller is weak, then market will continue. So basically, we still don't know if the seller is strong or not. He's putting pressure. You can see here, right? The seller is putting pressure here. The last attempt they are trying. Only if they fail, it will continue. So why so much worry? Now, from the time I have given this update, how much movement we have captured? 700 points in Nifty and Bank Nifty. 700 points is like today's market fall, right? So think about it. Take as much as as long as you book it, the profit is not yours. Whatever you are seeing, it is going up, it is coming down, all those things and all doesn't matter. Did that money come to your account? No, right? It did not come, right? So better, as long as you want to book it off, take the money home, wait for the next setup. Why I am not exiting means, because for me it doesn't matter, already trailing stop loss. If it continues, okay, let it continue, right? I have that mindset, you have that mindset, means you also hold, no problem. Still waiting for entry, is it? Okay, we will see, traders. Waiting for entry means, see, waiting for entry means already this bulls, along with the bulls we have entered, we have got the moment. Now maybe if bulls are taking some breathing space from here, any reversal setup, market is forming flag pattern, it is giving breakout, means that setup we will focus. Okay, the seller is trying to give up. If he gives up, this will reach that 1 lakh. 1 lakh means again sentiment will change. Option sellers, all of them, stop losses will start hunting like that, and all things can happen. So okay, whatever is happening, let it happen. Is there any problem for us to, for me to hold the trade? No, right? Because already I have trailed my stop loss of how much? 480 points. Whatever happens, 480 points is mine. Hunger and wonder. Okay, you have exited, sir. Okay, fine. Now again, what people will do is they will do that silly mistake of entering a bearish trade at this resistance. Okay, look at the bull's power. Almost these sellers would have given up. Whoever enters, their stop loss will be on top. To hunt the stop loss, again movement can happen. I cannot 100% say 100% it will move up, but I'm saying based on probability it has to move up. See, people are thinking of entering bearish trade. That's why market is getting nice stop losses. It is hitting all the stop loss and moving. Trail and go, trail and go. How much ever you want to do. 1 lakh, fine. Okay, traders, capital doubled. How much ever we entered. Capital double setup this is. So I'll just leave it as it is here. 63, 64. Now it can take some breathing space, but since it is like 1 lakh level, right? Many people stop losses on top. It will just keep moving up. It can keep moving. We'll just trail and go. See if it hits my stop loss also, what no? How much points did we capture? 1200 points. Now before US market open only I've taken this trade. Now you guys have been watching that this one, right? Every day when I come live, I say, traders, it is okay. The days when we make loss, it is fine. Don't worry. Don't think about one loss, because one proper setup, you hold it correctly. If market goes as per your favor, you can double your capital. That opportunity in futures market only is there. Why you want to go trade options, I don't know. Especially crypto futures. Okay, now profit done. Target hit $66. Okay, now what will happen next, we will see. Now comment traders, setup done. First setup around 1200 points captured. Now still this market has potential of moving towards the upside only, but setup is needed. Now if I enter, it is like FOMO, right? Setup has to come, because if I enter here, where I'll place my stop loss? Can I place it here? It will be very big, right? So what you can do, what we can try to do, I will say, okay, if this green candle goes up, right here, small stop loss, This candle, okay, low this candle's low might be your stop loss trigger. Okay, like that you can plan. Because continuous green candle means one correction is pending, no doubt correction is pending. I will do little more research, and maybe I can tell you from where we can think about what can be the next action. Meanwhile, who has not liked the video, please do that. Subscribe to the channel. It motivates me to make regular videos like this, and I can keep sharing more interesting setup with you guys. So traders, after liking the live stream, please mention your name in the comment section. 10 people's name I'm going to announce. All the 10 people, whoever after liking the video, mention your name, I'll announce your name. At least 5 people. Mahesh sir, thank you, thank you. You exited the trade, right? Okay. Nandini madam, thank you so much. Thank you guys, thank you for all the love and support. Now, how many of you, doesn't matter if you have not taken the trade, but how many of you understood why we entered the trade? You want me to explain the logic why we entered the trade? I can do that. Before me taking the trade only, I have told you all the logic. Hopefully from that only you would have got understanding, but still if you have doubt, you can ask me. Now next setup, what is there? Next setup, what we have, I'm just looking at it. Okay. Let me switch to 30 minutes time frame. It's a beautiful upside move setup. Market cleared. I told, right? Market, if it moves up, it will easily try to remove all these people, buyers if they're strong. So it is going to the next upper level. Now these sellers are the one who's very, very strong in the market. They are market movers, right? And next, if market has to trap them, give me some time, traders. Let me analyze. Randomly we should not enter, no. First setup is already done. Little breathing space we will give. We will look at the next setup. Now, before I analyze and share updates with you guys, please, whoever has not liked the video, please do that. Meanwhile, if you want to join our, uh, community group where I keep sharing updates. Now here, this update what I shared, this setup what I shared, where is it? Okay, this setup what I shared, you can see the setup kind of failed, but we knew why it can fail. Just the way here I said, right, the sellers, the second trade whatever I took live, first my expectation is before US market open anyways it is positive. From here, if market directly continues, it can hunt these people stop loss towards the upside, but I know this is a selling pressure zone. Okay, so I said that from there only selling pressure started in the market. You can see, where is it? You see selling pressure zone. They started putting pressure, they push the market towards the downside. Since we know there's a selling pressure zone, you see how much stop loss we have given for this trade, how much target we planned, 1:4. That setup failed, but immediately I came live. Again we got the re-entry setup, we have taken that. Now nicely market is moving towards the upside, we will see. Now you guys in the comment section, you tell me what does your view, where can the market next move up to? I feel the next Oh, there are two to three important pressure zones in the market. Okay, somewhere around 1850, 860 range. That is around here, but market is holding on to that level. Little traders, this area. Now this area, the sellers who are here, the sellers who are here, nicely market moved towards the downside, they would have booked their profit and gone, right? Again, what is happening? Market is moving up. It is removing all the weak players, and it is removing all the weak players and moving towards the upside, right? So now bulls are strong, they are holding on to the market. Next, again, what will happen at this zone? These people again, they will think about re-entering, but probability is there after correcting here, little more movement market can do. It can go up to 1 lakh 4,800 range also. It can go, that possibility I'm seeing here, but I don't know when I'm live this will happen or not. Sir, please come live in Nifty Bank Nifty. In Nifty Bank Nifty, as per SEBI rule, I cannot take trades, right, in Nifty Bank Nifty like this. If that is the biggest issue I have. In there, if I'm taking crypto trades, I have no problem because there's no SEBI rules here. So in front of you, I can take live trades also. Now you can tell me, sir, you can come live. You can just, based on risk reward calculator, you can stay live and share all the updates with you, right? So if I do that with you, I have to complete my trades, right? That is the biggest problem. In BTC, if I'm trading, I can trade in front of you also. My trade also is getting completed. Huh? Like this, it is possible. Too much fair value gap. Market should at least correct by 500 points. It can correct traders, no problem. How much? Maybe we will see here if it corrects. What we will do, at least we need some, until 4,000 there is no big problem situation in the market. But still, what I will do, after this move, consider this as pull. Okay, this range, what it is, it can act as flag. Okay, goal is not to look for big bearish setup. Goal is to look for any upside movement possibility is there, means that time we will think. Now this is sideways market, small movement you want to capture, means you can do. But think about it, market ideally as of now, it is in what range? It is trying to form a bullish flag. See, this is the range and this is the range. Again, you can see buyers are putting a bit of pressure here, but it is not able to break this level. If it breaks below that candle, small stop loss you can try. As of like sir told, too much of fair value gap, what you're saying, that fair value gap market movement did not happen immediately after it opened, right? It market took some time, only then the movement happened. It was attracting more people already in the past, so it has attracted. Now as long as it is trading within this range, looking at this candle and all, too much of bearishness we cannot have. Even if you are having bearish view, see this is red candle, this is the next red candle, then stop loss has to be here, a small bearish trade, because for here only it can reverse. If it continues, it is an advantage for you if it comes up to the support, but more probability is there for market to form a flag pattern only. That is why bearish trade I'm not taking right now. Rajkumar, 1,02,400 range. So expectation is, it can go up to that. Now traders, you can see this range 1,02,000 to 1,07,000. This is a range where market can either stay sideways or near the zone. Buyers can get reactivated and push the market towards the upside. That is why no bearish trade I'm taking right now. Our first trade already capital double done. Next trade we will see. Sampath sir, thank you so much for liking the live stream. Shankar Sarma, please explain, sir. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, I will explain why I took the first trade. Before that, I'm saying this is the zone where buyers can re-enter. Okay, either market can stay sideways, move towards the upside, or from this zone only potential of reversal is there. Maybe it can come up to this zone and correct also. That is why I'm not taking any bearish trade. Whoever is interested in bullish trade, maybe after this breakout, if you want small stop loss opportunity, you're getting continuous. You see, let's say you got a green candle followed by a green candle. This candle, if you're taking entry, below that candle you place your stop loss. If stop loss, it's no problem, but if that trend again continues, you can capture the moment, right? So see, this candle is showing little more confidence on the bull side, right? How much stop loss you can give? Stop loss here. Okay, what we will do, I'll just show you. Long trade, entry, small stop loss, and target you can keep at least 1:2. Okay, after 1:2, placing stop loss is important. Target, if you are not setting, no problem, but target, as the market keeps moving upside, what you will do, your stop loss will keep correcting and taking. Okay, like that you can do. Now that is one setup for people who's thinking of entering a bullish trade right away. I'm telling you, it can convert to flag also, right? That possibility is there. But if the movement happens, okay, what will happen? You might miss out on the opportunity. That is why if the stop loss is sensible for you, reasonable for you, you can consider, or else wait for the next setup. Before that, someone asked me about previous setup, right? Please explain, sir. See, sir, here. Now, in this zone, we know this is the resistance. Okay, resistance. Now I entered my trade somewhere here. Okay, the first trade, my attempt was okay. Here, if people at this I know this is the selling pressure zone, I had informed already, but in case market goes out of the selling pressure zone, it attracts some people. US market is bit bullish, so from here it can attract people, create liquidity, create stop loss hunting level on top, and then it can move towards the upside, right? This is the first setup what I discussed in the community group. See, this is the first setup. After this first setup, I said this is selling pressure zone, sellers can re-enter. That is why stop loss was small. So when sellers re-entered, they pushed the market towards the downside. After pushing the market towards the downside, what and all happened next? From here they pushed the market down, attracted people who wanted to enter bearish trade. Looking at this breakdown, they would have entered. Looking at this breakdown, they would have entered. Looking at this breakdown, people would have entered, right? This level. All people have entered means where is their stop loss? Their stop loss is on top. One more reason is the symmetric pattern is acting as support. This trend line I had marked, right? As soon as I came live only, I said this trend line is acting as good support. Market can respect this area. From this area, it can move towards the upside, or max to max this area. This buyers will re-enter here, or they will re-enter here. I entered at this zone only, like I said before. If I wait so much, I might miss out on the opportunity, so I am entering. I said no. So these buyers re-entered, US market is positive, all the people stop loss is on top. To hunt the stop loss, market moved up. Here resistance, people would have thought about entering bearish trade, their stop loss again created. Here again people will think about entering, they'll do that mistake, the stop loss is on top, again hunting. After 1 lakh reaches, many people stop loss will keep hitting. So market continuously moved. Okay, this is my understanding based on the logic, whatever I know, how I view the market based on price action, stop loss hunting. Okay, this is what it is. If you have understood whatever concept I have told right now, then like the video, mention in the comment section. Sankir Sharma sir, hopefully you have understood the concept. So please come live in that I have read. Any other doubts, whatever doubts you guys have, please you can ask me, traders. Now I have one question for you. Ideally, how much hours you think the live stream has to be? Are you okay with 1 hour, or you are okay with 2 hours? You think 2 hours will be better? You tell me how much hours you guys are free. Maybe 8 o'clock I can come. 8 o'clock to 10 to 10:30. Okay, at least for 1 month. So much time if I am live. Are you guys available to watch the live? Tell me in the comment section. 2 hours, 2 hours. Okay. Now everyone has to tell me, traders, 2 hours, is it fine? How it is for you? Double yes. Okay. But entire 2 hours, I will not keep taking the trades. Rather, I'll keep maybe 1 or 2 setup. I will trade. Rest of the setup like this. I will share the view and give you updates. Okay, like that I will do. It is fair, right? It is okay with you guys, right? Because 2 hours if I'm there, like we have to control our emotion also, no? Maximum 1 trade, 2 trades I might take. Okay, like that I will do. Please explain the fair value gap in this scenario. See, fair value gap, more than fair value gap, you think about, I will explain about that. Meanwhile, in the comment section, just guys tell me what time you're okay, 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock or 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock. What is your preferred time for live stream? 2 hours, okay. What is your preferred time? I think more people will be free after 9. I can see many other channels starting live at 10 p.m. They start at 10 p.m. no problem, but I have family, right? I have to spend time with them also. If I start at 10, many people I know up to 12, 1 o'clock and all, it is there. 8 to 10, 8 to 10, 8 to 10, 8 to 10, okay. 7:30 to 9:30, okay. Sir, when the setup is getting formed, come live, standard time is waste of effort. Standard time means how else can we interact with our followers? Tell me. Setup, by the time setup is formed, I go to YouTube, I put all the setup, everything I do, and I come and see means by then setup only would have gone, right? When setup is forming, that is to share the view only. I have this group, right? Here easy screenshot I can share, 1 or 2 minutes video I can share. Whatever setup is there I can share here. Going forward, too much, this whole month I'm going to be very active because I've decided to dedicate more time towards crypto. For me also, it's performing well and things like that. So you'll be getting more updates here. Okay, who wants to join this crypto community group for absolutely free of cost? All you have to do is open account with Delta Exchange. The link is there in the description box below. You can check it out. After opening account, this is the link. Okay, WhatsApp team number is there, right? This number is there right here. This number you call. You send a WhatsApp message to them saying that you are interested, you have opened the account. Share the details with them. They will give you access to the community group. Also, there is interesting strategy here which is giving similar kind, which will give similar kind of reward. Here based on price action, stop loss hunting, I took trades, right? But many people, uh, based on this, you guys might be dependent on me, but without being dependent on me, with this strategy independently, all because it is indicator based strategy. Based on the setup, when you plan good opportunities also, you will be able to capture. To get free access to that course and the community group, all you have to do is open account with Delta Exchange. Link is there in the description. It is also there in the pinned comment. You can check it out, traders. So many people are saying 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Lol, sorry, maybe 7:30 to 9:30, because we can prepare before US market opens. See, I'll tell you, before US market opens, yes, preparation is there, but that 30 minutes time is there, right? In that 30 minutes, most of the time market is kind of sideways only. That is why preparation or any setup, whatever I do, um, around 7:55 p.m. I will come off live. Okay, 7:50 or 7:55, so that in that 10 minutes, whatever view I have about the market, I will share that with you. After that, next 2 hours, we'll start looking for opportunities. Based on that, we will try. Okay, does it make sense? Is it okay with you guys? If you're okay, then any time in the evening is okay for me. Any time in the evening. Okay. Market kind of stays a bit sideways before the US market opening, right? Sometimes opportunities is there, small opportunities we will get, but we have to see. You already have account with Delta, then how can I join the group? Ma'am, you message my team. Okay, message my team on this number. They will say what else they can do. 5 to 10 minutes before US market open is good. Yeah. See, based on market opening, 50%, 60% of the time we can be wrong, but the goal is to give small stop loss. That market opening correctly, if we are able to capture, we will capture good 1:3, 1:4 risk reward. So for that, I think we have to consider. Please continue current time. Current time means 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock I'm doing live stream. Maybe I can, from 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock I can extend. Okay, that's all. Okay, did I miss out anybody's message? Okay, many people are saying 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Maybe that is when many people, you know, how many people are going to office? Many people might be office goers, things like that. Only after you come back 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock and all, you guys will be traveling. Maybe after 8 o'clock, that is when you will have dinner and you will have some time for yourself, right? That time you can use for learning. That is what I think many people are thinking. Now, how many of you like the live stream and I did not mention your name? Now, going forward, I'll be very much active traders in crypto and even in this community group. You can see that from tomorrow morning itself. So anyways, now we are live, so that is okay. I mean the next setup, whatever it is, I'll keep sharing it there. Okay. So anyone name I did not mention, just like, sir, I can further exact a big fall on Indian market. Sir, can further expect a big fall in Indian market. It can happen. See, eventually, Indian market, everything is kind of overvalued. See, this chart, I just use it, this website, I just use it for observing the charts. Here, nice setup. When my bank nifty went below 50,500, I said we can look for bearishness. Here also 23,880. Below this, we can look for bearishness. I did not capture the entire move, but in my group here, I had said, okay, 10:45 a.m. only from the upside. This zone only I had said it can be a selling pressure zone. These videos and all are forwarded to free Telegram channel also. Maybe you guys can go and check. If you watch those 3 videos, you will understand. So if you watch the 3 videos, you will get complete understanding of market view. Also at 10:13, I have informed buyers be careful and From there sellers can re-enter. In the video I have told, but here also I think somewhere I told. Where is it? I don't know, I missed out, I think. I don't know where that went. Here also I had explained, first buying pressure will come towards the upside. Current zone we cannot, this one is upside move. I don't know where it went. At 10:12 I said, in case you have taken call trade, ensure that you book your profit or trail SL to max. Market is at make or break level, right? So whoever has taken call, after that only you know from this. I think in this video I had said, you can see this is the selling pressure zone. From market can correct, in bank nifty also it can correct. So based on that, anyone has taken trade or something like that, maybe you would have captured. During the first half of the day I was completely tired. I was not keeping that well, so I had to close my trade. Trailing stop loss got. Now who took this trade, bullish trade? Anyone entered this bullish trade in the market? If you have done that, good. Maybe already how much points this move from the time you entered? 700 points. Okay, if that is the case, what you will do, you will trail your SL. Okay, your SL will come off here now, because this is the breakout candle. Market has given a breakout continuation. If it happens, good. If it doesn't happen, also reasonable. Stop loss you have given, you have captured around 700 points. So that is how traders. Okay, so initially what was the setup? This, where is the setup? Initially this was the setup, almost target done. Rohit Reddy said you took that trade, is it? Okay. No, from that time I'm saying, okay, someone was asking me about this one, right? What is that? Explain about fair price gap, things like that. Now, what I will say is two things in the market. First thing is, what market can do, it can do time correction, right? Time correction can happen in the market. Another one is price correction. Okay. So two things can happen in the market. One can be time correction, another can be price correction. Time correction means market will just keep staying within a range for longer duration. Okay. It will not give a breakout, it will not give a breakdown, it will just trade within a range. So we call this as time correction. Price correction means what? Market is overvalued. Okay. Here continuously market is moving up, it is overvalued. So immediately the with price they will correct. Okay, not necessary like this only correction can happen. Market can correct here. Okay, nice time it is pending. So nice time correction is done, later price correction will follow. Okay, in this case if you see this upside move, why there is more possibility of continuation is because here what the market has done, this range you see, this or this range you see, or this range you see, all this is time correction. Okay, if you switch to, where is it, if you switch to let's say 1 day time frame. Okay, here price correction happened. Okay, after that everything is time correction. After time correction what should happen? Price again, fair value movement. So like that also we can look at the market. Okay, see almost it is little reversing from the zone. Whoever has taken the trade, by now your stop loss should have already been trailed. Okay, This one I have just kept because of the setup which I discussed initially. Now traders, in this 55 minutes, lot of things we have discussed. If you're making use of the content, just let me know. Can we continue this for another 1 hour live stream? If you say yes, we can continue. Rajkumar sir, thank you sir. Okay, you're welcome. Vaishnavi, Vaishnav, sorry. Thank you. Ilan, thank you. Surya, thank you. Rohit Reddy sir, okay, fine, definitely. All right. See, traders continuously bulls have entered. They have entered first trade. Okay, trailing stop loss hit, but still we captured nice movement, right? The second setup also almost target is trying to get hit. So hopefully you trail your ISL, hold on to the trade. Later you just keep trailing your stop loss and coming. Ideally, I can say from this setup only what can be the next target towards the upside in the market. Okay, like that only we will discuss and go. Hmm. Traders, this is one zone. Mm, after hitting our target only, I'm saying this one zone, little careful we have to be. Whoever has taken call trade, you have to ensure that you trail your stop loss. Okay, little careful. If this zone breaks, next we have one more zone also, we will look into it. But whoever has entered this trade, little careful you be near this zone. Okay. This range little small. Okay, this is the range. Okay, this area you have to be a bit careful. Whoever has taken this trade already, if you're booking your profit already at the zone, you're booked and gone, okay, fine, no problem. But at least for now, you should have trailed your stop loss maybe up to this zone at least, right? 700, 800 points moment you had got. But I feel this area can be the more pressure zone. I'm not going to take any bearish trade in the market right now because view is still bullish to sideways. Okay. Jai Prakash sir, thank. Okay. Shekhar sir, okay. Pandya Rajan sir, definitely okay. Everybody is okay for additional 1 hour. We will see additional 1 hour how it goes. Now, traders, I'm trying my best to explain all the concepts to you as simple as possible. That too in English we are doing it. I don't want to do it in Hindi. So because there are many channels for me, English, and I'm thinking of doing in regional also. Tamil channel, I'm not thinking, I'm going to do it. Definitely. You will get an update, I think, by end of this week. Okay. I'll have one separate channel. This week only I will give you the announcement. The name, everything I will announce. Introduction video also I will do. Okay. It is for Tamil. Okay. Too much okay, I keep saying, right? Mm. Waiting for Tamil channel. Okay, sir. Okay. Definitely பண்ணலாம் சார். இந்த வாரத்துக்குள்ளேயே நான் அனௌன்ஸ்மெண்ட் பண்ணுறேன். சரிங்களா? பண்ணலாம் சார், பண்ணலாம். நீங்கள் எல்லாம் சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். என் தமிழ்லலாம் கொஞ்சம் மெட்ராஸ் தமிழ் மாதிரி இருக்காது, இல்லை சென்னை தமிழ் மாதிரி இருக்காது. நான் பெங்களூரில் இருக்கேன். பெங்களூரில் நான் பேசுகிற இந்த தமிழ் உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சா குட், அப்படியே மேனேஜ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். சார், ஆர் யூ தமிழன்? uh, mother is Kannadiga, dad is Tamil, so I can speak both. Any view on gold? Gold trading, you ask? Gold I don't trade, I only do investment. No problem. Always welcome, Chennai. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Now, traders, this target hit, right? This target, you can consider the target hit. But next to pressure zone, whoever is holding on to the trade without, I told, right? Stop loss you fix, target as the market keeps moving, we will extend and go. That extension places here. Okay. So this can be the next extension place. So whoever has taken bullish trade, if you are holding, then little you trail your stop loss and you can hold. This is the next area where you need to be careful. Okay, just give me one minute. I'll be back. Okay. Your Tamil is good, sir. Okay. Nandri, sir. Nandri. Can you please make a video on learning curve of traders? Learning curve. You mean trading journey, how it will be? Now, just the way how you guys have supported my English channel, hopefully my Tamil channel also you guys will support, I believe, because many people, they want to learn a lot of Tamilian, but they don't understand Hindi. I understand Hindi, I can speak Hindi, all those things I can do. Since I stay in Bangalore, I can speak Hindi, but not that great, right? But many people cannot understand Hindi. Many channels are there in Hindi. So at least any regional language we have to support. So அதுக்கு தான் ரீஜனல் லாங்குவேஜை சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுங்கிற ஒரே காரணத்துக்காக தமிழில் கூட பண்ணலாம், தமிழில் எல்லாமே ஃப்ரீயாக சொல்லி தரலாம் அன்னு நாங்கள் டிசைட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். இந்த வீக்கெண்டுக்குள்ளே நாங்கள் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுவோம். ஓகேவா? அனௌன்ஸ்மெண்ட் வீடியோ வரும். Extremely shocked that you know Tamil, bro. All right. Yeah. I think many people would have thought I'm from North India. I think so. I don't know. Okay, traders. The next zone where you have to be careful, market is moving towards that zone. Whoever has taken bullish trade, okay, it is important that you trail your stop loss. If market reaches that level to a certain extent, you can see some pressure. Okay, some pressure can happen. So little careful you be there. If I switch to 15 minutes, you see this area, this sellers who are sitting here, okay, here who's sitting, maybe they can try to re-enter at this zone. Possibility is there. That is why that is the zone where buyers have to be careful, I'm saying. Okay, if they don't re-enter here, maybe next market here it can attract people, then again continue the trend. That possibility is there. As market keeps moving, we will discuss. Okay, anyways, another 1 hour I'm staying, right? So we will see, traders. Okay, this This move also is a good move, close to 1100 points move. So happy sir, help please sir, Solana पर stock short करूँ, liquidity 224 है, close या hold Solana. You have shorted the market, right? Okay. Now what you can see here, मेरा हिंदी उतना अच्छा नहीं है, आप समझ आ गया तो ठीक है. आप देख लीजिए, ये पोल है, ठीक है, ये फ्लैग, ये बुलिश फ्लैग एंड पोल पैटर्न बना रहा है मार्केट इधर कुछ तो ब्रेकआउट दिया तो उस टाइम एग्जिट कर सकते हैं. अभी तो आपका लॉस लिमिट एग्जिट हो चुका है तो एग्जिट कर लीजिए, नहीं तो इधर एक ब्रेकआउट देने के बाद ओके और एक ग्रीन कैंडल कंटिन्यूएशन हुआ तो एग्जिट कर लीजिए, नहीं तो इधर भी मार्केट थोड़ा आ सकता है, ठीक है, इस जगह तक आ सकता है. सिर्फ मार्केट ऐसा मूवमेंट किया तो आप एग्जिट कर लीजिए. ये मेरा पर्सनल सजेशन है, मतलब आपका रिस्क कैपेसिटी कितना है आपको पता चलना चाहिए, ठीक है. आपका रिस्क कैपेसिटी एक्सीड हो गया है तो आप ज़रूर एग्जिट कर दीजिए अभी तो. ओके. Abdullah Khan, hopefully you have got that clarity. Now traders, you see, I said no, this area little that sellers can re-enter, they can put pressure here. This green candle, till now this was one area, okay. Market, it did not open green here, right, it opened red below this closing only. So little selling pressure is there in the market, okay. Whoever has taken the trade, I've already informed, this is the area where you have to be careful. If you want to book your profit and exit now, you can do it, but still if you want to capture the moment, you want to hold the position, then this candle, if market breaks, then consider exit, okay. That is the setup. Ganesh, wow, super sir, waiting, okay, we will support sir, okay. நீங்கள் எல்லோரும் சப்போர்ட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஒன்லி வீக்கெண்ட் நான் வந்து லைவ் பண்ணுவேன் அந்த சேனலில், எஜுகேஷன் கண்டென்ட் ஜாஸ்தி ஷேர் பண்ணுவேன். அது ஆனதுக்கப்புறம் நல்லா சப்போர்ட் வந்துச்சுன்னா அங்கேயும் நான் வந்து 2 ஹவர் லைவ் பண்ணுவேன், ஓகே. கிரிப்டோ லைவ் எல்லாமே தமிழில் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுவேன். Anyways, this is English channel, so people will get confused what language he is speaking. So I'll discuss, okay, further things about that Tamil channel. I'll speak to you guys later. Now let's focus on the setups. Now traders, as of now, anyone who's already taken the trade, this trade you want to hold, you can hold. Stop loss maximum up to this zone, okay, because this is one area where sellers can re-enter or market can hold on this range for some time and then give a breakout. So just by looking at this move, fresh entry if you are thinking of taking, don't do that right away, okay. Let market go above 1,01,900, okay. 1,01,900, if you let it go, then we will be looking for bullish, or else this is seller pressure zone. Now this is definitely going to be selling pressure zone or not, we will not get to know now, right, only later we will get to know. But this can be an area of action where little it can correct, it can do some time correction like that. Brother, too much ads are coming in between. I think only ad will come only once when you come live. Too much ads, really, if how many people, just tell me how many ads you are getting. I have no problem to turn off ads also. If you go exit the live stream, okay, again you come to the live, that time only ads will come. I think that is how it works. In between live stream and all, ads doesn't come. Yeah, one ad at the start only. Many people keep going and coming back. You will go close the live stream, later you will come back. That time again ad will come. I think that is how it is. Only once, sir, when we enter the first time. Yeah. When you enter the first time, you will get ad. After you exit, again you come to the live stream, again you will get ad. Okay. Now, now traders, are you seeing what kind of movement this is? First setup at the zone we captured, right? First setup at the zone we captured. Good momentum towards the upside. This extra move. The trailing stop loss got hit. That is okay. But still, we captured 700. Capital became double. No, what else we need? The second setup, whoever wanted to re-enter the market, that setup was given for you. So this one, nice target already. Very good. Next setup we will see. Please use Brave browser to get rid of ads. I use Brave browser. It is good only. What Sankar is saying, sir is saying, correct. You can use Brave browser. You will not get ads. It is there for both iPhone and Android also. You can download that browser. So you will not get ads at all. Maybe you use Brave browser only for my channel. Okay. For me, ads, if it, uh, you don't watch the ads also, no problem. But there are many new channels which completely depends on ad revenue. Okay. For those channels and all, you actually please watch the ads. Okay. For my channel, you don't watch the ads, no problem. You can use Brave browser if you want. See, traders market continuously, it was moving towards the upside. I'm saying this is the zone where sellers can try one attempt. I don't know if it is going to correct up to this zone or full correction it is going to do, that I don't know. But already I have informed, right? This is an area where sellers can put pressure. So little careful you have to be. I will consider all the targets as is hit, and this area I have told be careful. Who has booked the profit, good. Whoever has trailed the SL, good. Trailing SL, if it hits also, no problem. Have you guys taken exited from the bullish trade? The setup what I shared earlier. Who has taken the trade? I will just write down here. Okay. Now I will consider this buy target done. Here I am saying selling pressure can be there. Later, if market goes out of this zone, next bullish opportunity we will consider. Until then, we will wait for some time. We will see how market reacts. Anyone wants to take a bearish trade, by chance you want to take, little selling pressure is there. But after this continuous move, it is going to be 50% chance. But small stop loss here. Okay. one bearish trade and try to capture 300 350 points movement. Okay, that possibility is there. If we want to go as per the trend, we will wait for some more time. Okay. Oh, cool. But I'm staying in from start. Only this time I got 5 ads in between. Don't know why. Just wanted to let you know. Oh, okay. See, any live stream you go, at the beginning you will get one ad. In between and all, they don't give ads. I don't think that is how it is, because my team also have told only one ad at the beginning. If it is there, fine. Only okay. Now what is happening for others? Have you exited the bullish trade? Are you holding the bullish trade by trailing your stop loss? What is the situation? Are you waiting for the next trade? What is? Just let me know in the comment section. What are you guys actually doing? Traders, you are able to see right after this move, one red candle finally, again one more red candle. It is showing some bearishness. This sellers, they are attempting once, traders. They are attempting. See who's there on top here. Where did it go? Where did it go? The sellers who are here, who are at this zone, 19th December, they push the market once right after the correction. They are trying one attempt, but if they are weak only, market can go above that. Market has to prove that they are weak, right? If market do not prove they are weak, then how can we plan our trade? Little attempting is happening, waiting for next trade. Okay, I'm looking for some sell up to 1 lakh 1360 and move up. Okay, 1 lakh 1300, 1 lakh 1300, and then move towards the upside. This is what you are expecting. Possibility is there, sir. Possibility is there, but the sellers who, like I shared earlier, no, those sellers, 19th December sellers who are there, if first market, they have to re-enter. Only if they re-enter and push the market towards the downside, we will have opportunity. Just give me a second. I'm getting a phone call. Now these sellers are kind of giving up. Okay, market is moving towards the upside. That means these sellers, little attempt they did at the zone. Where is it? So next market is going to reach the zone, upper zone. Okay, this upper zone, if it reaches, then market can consolidate, and then this is where these sellers, will it target or not, that we will wait and see. Okay, let the market decide its move, what it wants to do. Based on that we will decide. Okay, in case anyone has exited the buy trade, no problem, we'll wait for the next opportunity. Who's not exited, please trail your stop loss to the max, okay, up to this candle. See, market can correct here and then move, or directly from this zone it can fall. So trailing stop loss after such a big move is very important. If you want, you're thinking of exiting also, you exit, no problem, because nice thousand plus points we have got. The next upside bullish move can come later. Now only it can come, we cannot say. Okay, whatever this zone I have mentioned, it's very important. The confidence what we had of entering bull trade at this zone, right, and at this zone here, entering confidence for me is kind of low. I don't want to quickly jump for any bullish trade here, because some kind of selling pressure has to come. Like for example, let's say market can correct from this zone, 1 2, maybe up to this zone, like this correction. Some kind of correction is possible. That is why I'm not planning for any bull trade right now. Okay, now traders, just let me know, have you understood why I'm not taking any next bullish trade in the market? Because this possibility is there. Okay, that is one reason. 50% chances there for this possibility. That is why trailing stop loss is important for whoever is holding the trade, I am saying. Okay, now for this trade, since the selling pressure zone is acting as support, little we will wait, traders. Two setups already done. First setup, my trading setup. Second setup, this also is done. People little late they have come. At least maybe for them, at least one more opportunity if I can get, I can share. It will be nice. Hopefully. Little confidence is low about upside continuation. Usually when we take a trade, what I say, probability of this one happening or the downside movement, probability is around 70 to 75% at least. Here upside continuation possibility is just 50% for me. Some kind of correction is required, some kind of selling pressure is required, because anyone who enters randomly, right, maybe like let's say at this breakout or this breakout, so anyone who enters, those weak players market has to remove first. If only for that reason I'm not taking any bullish trade as of now. Little I will wait. Now little pressure is there from the bull side. This clearly is showing that the sellers who are there at this upper zone, they're kind of weak, because of which market is attempting to reach 22,700 zone. So what I can do, little confidence is low, that is why I'm thinking next setup, long position, here, target here, stop loss little lower here. So 1 is to 3, 1 is to 3.6 we are getting. It's a nice risk, but market has to come there. No, this is not 1 is to 3, it is just 1 is to 1.5. If 1 is to 1.5, stop loss has to be below this candle. Okay, so with this logic, if we want, we can plan our next buy side trade. Okay, selling pressure zone, sellers are not putting that much pressure. probability is there for this to reach this target. So what I will do, okay, no problem, I'll take this trade for you guys. Okay, so this is the setup. I will copy this price, I'll go down, because those sellers are not putting in too much pressure, traders. If they're not putting in too much pressure, then upside possibility is there. So okay, the balance moment what we fail to capture here, maybe we will try to capture. If not, anyways, small stop loss we are giving. I'll give that stop loss and exit. One attempt. Those are interested, you can take this setup along with me. Stop loss is reasonable. Okay, risk reward is 1:2 plus, so makes sense taking this trade around 600 points movement. For that 270 points risk, so fine, we can take. But how much, openly I will tell you how much confidence I had about the previous setup. In this, confidence is kind of little low, but I'm okay to take this because risk reward is decent, and sellers to a certain extent they're not entering the market too much. That is one plus. Along with that, at this zone, and stop loss also for this trade is very small. All of these factors are giving me that confidence. Okay, we can take this trade, it can go up to this resistance, risk is low. So with that view, okay, this is the next setup. Only reason is sellers are not putting pressure here. Next market can move up. With that logic, I've taken this trade. Whoever's entered with me, okay, from the time we entered, close to 200 points already. Now after this move, should we keep too much stop loss? Not required, right? Little we can reduce. I'm looking at the setup on my phone also. Okay, if there is anything else for me to look at. Pressure will come, it will not come from here, that I don't know. Okay, but buyers are showing bit of confidence, so we will keep trailing and going. Who has entered along with me, now you would have already seen the profit, so maybe you can keep it to cost. Exited at 1 lakh 2,450 just to be on a safer side. Done for the day. Okay sir, good. 1 lakh 2,450. All right, no problem. Holding Ethereum small quantity to continue whatever upside, quantity to continue whatever upside. Okay, Ethereum, huh? So someone, okay, this bullish flag pattern breakout Ethereum has given. Okay, maybe because of Ethereum showing this bullish move only, maybe sellers did not put pressure in bank nifty at sorry, BTC at this zone, at that upper zone. If Ethereum from the upper level, if it had corrected, because problem would have come. I don't know what is happening to this. Something weird is happening in my chart, traders. Mm. Okay, things are fine. Now, how many of you took this new trade? 2 trades already done. This is the 3rd trade. Now, why am I kept very small risk for this trade? Because still the sellers, will they enter, not enter, little that I'm saying. No, first to set up how much confident we were, the setup little confidence is low, so I don't want to give too much stop loss for this trade, right? So that is the main reason. See, selling continuation is market is showing anyway, stop loss is small, so I'll just leave it as it is. Hopefully it will reach this target. Okay, now why did I enter this trade? Also logic I have explained. Ideally expecting selling pressure was there at the zone, but here it did not show any continuation. This means at selling pressure zone, little sellers are weak, so buyers took over. So when buyers started to take over, once more they tried to sell towards the downside. That time also when they failed, okay, buyers are taking over the market, so why not we enter the trade? With that logic only, here I said, okay, we'll be taking this trade. But still, is it a trap or not, we don't know. Expectation is it will reach this target. Still we don't know it's a trap or not. Or else, if I was very confident with the setup, I would have kept my stop loss here. But if it corrects, let it correct later. Here any reversal setup if I get, that time sensible stop loss, more bigger stop loss I will keep. At the current zone I will not keep. Okay, for you also suggestion is the same, very small stop loss for this particular trade alone. Took new one. Okay, this higher level if it breaks, right, he or else here this gives a green candle here, one more green candle like this, then quickly it will start moving. Now it is not showing some continuation, but hopefully if we get that, we'll be able to capture. Okay, now since sir, Ethereum, what can be next target? Ethereum, okay, let me check. uh, Ethereum can be this range. It's a big range what I'm saying, but this range 3900. Okay, this can be the next range. All right, BTC, where is it? BTC is not showing too much bullishness now. Anyways, I think target will get achieved here. We'll see. Stop loss is small. No problem. We'll wait. Now number of people who's watching the live stream is kind of reduced. Around 50-55 people were watching before. Only 30 people watching the live stream. I think they are not aware that I have extended the live stream for another 1 hour. Or maybe they have other works. Little sellers are putting or are trying to put little pressure. If they're putting, let them put. Traders, no problem. Next setup we will see. We'll just leave it to the market to decide now. One hour became habit. Ah, that's what. 1 hour has become habit for many people. See, sellers are putting a bit of pressure at the zone. I just joined the live trading request to explain the logic for bullish move today. You mean, okay, this setup, this trailing stop loss hit, that's okay. What you want to know? I just joined the live trading request to explain the logic of bullish move today. You mean this move? This move you are asking? See, basically for me, you can see market was trading within a range, right? Range was becoming narrow. I expected the upside move at from here only. Okay, that one attempt I did, that failed. Small stop loss I gave, I exited. Second attempt, after removing all the weak buyers from the market, after attracting all the bearish trades, their stop loss is on top. At this trend line support, big players re-entered, and they more than hunting the stop loss, they wanted to push the market towards the upside, because US market also, you can see it is kind of positive only. When I checked, it is all gone by 1.8 1.9%. So that is there. Since the US market was kind of bullish, then we waited for some time. We got the opportunity. I think before this one only, US market open itself, reasonable stop loss we gave. We took this first trade, right? This upside trade. The second trade I shared with the group here. Now this is just looking like a correction. This is just looking like a correction pullback before the trend continuation, traders. It is there. Anyways, that what $3-4 we gave, that's all. So that's okay. But still, we'll keep our view intact. The thing is, the selling pressure zone can act as a supporting zone. As long as this breaks, buyers can re-enter and push it towards the upside. We'll keep that view, because this is an important target market will achieve today. Okay, very very high probability is there. Even if it is correcting whatsoever, I don't know, but today somehow I feel it will reach this target, because this upside move is not a very stop loss hunting move. It is trend changing move. Okay, so stop loss hunting and all already done. This resistance upside also, whatever is there, that is 19th December move. Who's going to hold the trade until 19th December till now? Futures market, very less. So this continuation possibility is there, maybe from this zone like this. This is the target zone. So hopefully that happens. See, as and when battery low, will close for the day. Good night. Battery low, okay, fine. Tomorrow come with power bank, sir. Gopinath Nagarajan, sir, okay. I think you have got clarity. Rohit Reddy, sir, what, whom? Now you are understanding the logic behind why I am saying market has potential to move towards the upside, right? The moment, if it had to correct, it should have corrected here. It did not correct. Sellers did not show pressure. Then high probability is there, market will reach this area. Okay, maybe it will correct a bit, take support near selling pressure zone. From here it can correct. That possibility is there, but haha, you are the power here, sir. I am nobody, sir. I'm just a simple common man. Buyers are just re-entering the market, traders. It is not a stop loss hunting move. It is trend creation move. Okay, please understand that. 1,02,725 possibility high is there. High possibility to move up from here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Even I'm thinking the same. At least today, yours and mine mindset is in sync. Now, those of you watching the live stream, you are enjoying the live stream, support the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel. It motivates me to make regular videos like this. Now that if more people are supporting, then my 1 hour live stream, now I'm extended it to 2 hours, right? So again, if more people are interested, maybe I can do 3 hours also. It depends. Maybe from 7, 8, sorry, I can start at 7 o'clock. So 8, 9, 10. 10 o'clock we can close. Just that you guys have to support the channel, traders. I'm trying my best to give all the possible education from my end. Whatever I have learned, I'm sharing it here with you guys. Now, those of you who wants to join our community group where regularly I keep sharing update setups, okay, in the market. If you're interested to join this community group, all you have to do is open account with Delta Exchange, right? The link is there in the description box below. After opening an account, please reach out to my team on this number. They'll be more than happy to help you, guide you, okay, give you the access. You will not just get the updates here, you will also get my crypto strategy, specially designed for crypto. It's a very powerful strategy. Majority of the time you get 1:3, 1:4 risk reward in this strategy, okay. These kind of 1,500 points nicely we will be able to capture. Of course, risk reward can be success rate can be 55 to 60%, but 60% of the time if you're making 1:3, 1:4, and net to net you will be profitable only, right? So that is what it is, okay. Whoever is interested to get that strategy for absolutely free of cost, please open account with Delta Exchange using our referral link. It's there in the description box below. Once you do that, reach out to my team on this number. We will give you access to the course, okay. Everything is free. If you guys have any doubts related to crypto trading whatsoever, you can ask me here. I'll be more than happy to assist you with. I've already explained the logic behind why market can move up to this area, reach this target, right? Buyers are continuously putting pressure traders. Market has good possibility, right? So like I said, buyers are kind of putting pressure in the market. They're taking it towards the upside. So probability is high that it will reach the target today. That small stop loss, whatever I had kept, that just got triggered. I was concentrating somewhere else. Okay, traders, any other doubts you have? If you have, you can ask me. I'll be more than happy to assist you. If everyone is kind of silent, then maybe I will close the live stream if you want. Anyways, this is going to be the last trade for the day, right? This is the last setup for the day. So you know what is the risk, what is the reward, anyone who's taking the fresh trade, right? It's kind of trying to form an double M pattern here, right? So is that M pattern to create more liquidity or something? That we have to wait and watch. But more buyers are bit strong. So M pattern means also they can push the market towards the upside. That probability is there. What is the next target after 1000, 1 lakh, 2700? Let me see, traders. Next target can be very big, traders, because in case the market, if it holds on for a while and it continues to move towards the upside, it can go to 1 lakh 4,000 also. Okay, another 2,000 points momentum it can do, right? At this upper zone, if it is holding on, right, and then give a breakout, additionally it can go up to 1 lakh 3,200, maybe later it can go up to 1 lakh 4,500, that range. I don't think it will go to 1 lakh 8,000 and all very shortly, but I mean to say, by the time US market closes, if it breaks 1 lakh 2,720 level strongly, right, and if it holds on to that range, then probability of 1 lakh 4,000 is there. Rajkumar sir, okay. But whoever is keeping the next target, very important, right? You have to keep trailing the stop loss and going. After a certain point, if you don't trail the stop loss, then it is going to be difficult. Okay, you guessed the same. Okay, sir. Good. Now close to 1 hour 50 minutes live stream done. Okay. So going forward, traders, if everyone is okay, everyone is supporting the channel, not like now, right? 1 hour everyone was there, later everyone went away. So in case you guys are interested for 2 hour live stream, then you have to support us, you have to confirm. Maybe some people are not aware that I'm doing the live stream for 2 hours, because today is the first day. Usually I do only 1 hour live stream. So next time, first only I will inform it's going to be 2 hours live stream until people get adjusted. Plan is, at least for this whole month, I'll try to do 2 hour live stream. Okay, because after I go, many opportunities I'm getting in the market, those opportunities I can discuss. All right. Market is kind of forming this M pattern, no? Mm, so our selling pressure zone can act as the next supporting zone also in the market. Okay, in case it corrects. Market is not attracting bearish traders also here, right? If looking at this M pattern, right, at this upper zone, M pattern, people would have entered here. Maybe next set of people, if market wanted to attract, it should have given a breakdown here, right? And then it should have corrected. But since it wants to be completely bullish, it's not giving opportunity for more people to enter. It is saying I am ready to push the market towards the upside from here only. Hopefully, this target, I think this 1 lakh 2,725 definitely market will reach today, no doubt. But in another 10 minutes, if it reaches, even better, so that I can close the setup, or else later point it can stay a bit sideways and later reach 1 lakh 2,700. Hopefully traders, today's live stream close to 2 hours I have spent. You guys have made use of the content that I've shared here. Okay, hopefully even along with me you also captured big moves in the market. Totally two trading setup I had discussed. First about my entry, what I took. After this correction I said this area we can look for option buy, sorry, bullish trade, small stop loss, big target. So first we had kept 1:2 risk reward up to this zone, but later I said up to selling pressure zone market can move. So whoever has trailed, they would have captured decent move. Here also sellers are not putting that much pressure. I expected sellers pressure at this zone, but buyers are just proving that they're bit more strong. So probability of market reaching this zone is high. So next trading setup also I have discussed here, right? So little confidence is there that market will reach this level, but quickly will it do it right away is a question. uh, Buyers are still showing pressure, but little bit they are trying to, you know, holding, they're waiting a bit, creating liquidity here. Hmm? So after the liquidity, any upside flag pattern breakout also, people can book profit here. Or else anyways what, it's a very small stop loss, you can give an exit. Okay, so this was about today's trading setup. All the three trading setup logic I have explained. Hopefully it was useful for you. Close to 10 o'clock, time is around 9:45. Around 1 hour 52 minutes live stream done. Thank you everyone for participating. Now I will go take some rest. uh, I had a good time. We made nice profit also. For some people, capital only got doubled today. Very good. Okay, thank you everyone. Good night, good night. God bless you traders. Bye bye.